What place I am in?
You are in my sales shop. Here we sell the fresh plant that you can only find from soil.
Shut up. What address I'm in?
Don't say shut up to me. I will kill you. Your body will be never mind. Okay, this address is the address where there's a toilet right there. Can you look at that toilet?
Is that part of our even conversation, by the way? Stop talking about your Chinese mouth before I rope you into another universe of the void.
Are you stupid? I will walk you with my son's body so hard your little eyes will pop out of your face. I will see the blood run down your cheek so much.
Okay, you poor guy from Temu. I think you bought that plants from Temu. Even your son's jacket is from Temu.
I am the CEO of your wife. You know that she worked for this company called Valium Express, and then I own that company.
My wife own your company, beta. What are you talking about?
You tell me that my son bought it from Temu, so we circle back to our previous conversation. If my son bought it from Temu, at least I have a son!
Oh my God, bro, what do I do for this? This guy actually got me. There's only one thing I can do.
Dad, can we please go home? We've been here for like 3 hours.
Oh my God, bro.
Shut up.
Hell no,
You
man.
are mistaken. I never wanted you to be born to art. Dad, why would you say that to me? I'm your one and only son, and you said that to me. I'm leaving and I'm transforming into something that's unknown to Earth. Thank you, God, for the early birthday present.
This father is cursed.